So who's Jeff Meadows? That's a great story. Early 80s, Jeff Meadows was the guy that got kicked out of Miami of Ohio twice for having a very robust social experience. Academically, I wasn't a superstar. I was having too much fun. Ended up married, having a couple kids, working for a living, then went back, finished my undergrad at UC, graduated with honors, and then went off to the other Miami, the U. Went down to South Florida working for American Airlines full-time while going to law school full-time, picked up a part-time job on campus working for LexisNexis, which provides legal services and research for attorneys. Busted my ass for a few years, slept about 4 hours a day, and haven't broken that habit. Came back to Cincinnati to practice law and was fortunate enough to get in with a lawyer who had a successful DUI practice. Started interesting me because people who are successful get DUIs. People who are retail workers get DUIs. It covers the gamut. These are not shitbags that are kicking in doors and robbing people at gunpoint. These are normal, everyday folk just like me. I got 4 kids, 35, 32, 14, and 12, which might suggest I'm a slow learner, but love all my kids. I got 5 grandkids, and 2 of my kids have done some scuba diving because they know it's my passion. About once a month I take off and go swim with sharks. And it's amazing. And one of the similarities about swimming with sharks and the law practice is you have to be laser focused. Everybody thinks sharks are badass animals that are going to eat you alive, and they really don't. You get in the water, and as long as you're paying attention and you're laser focused to what they're doing, it's an amazing experience, just like being in court. You've got to stay laser focused on what the cop's doing, body language when they're testifying. Also ride a motorcycle. Got a few buddies that have Harleys. We started a group called the Defenders of Justice, or the DOJ, not the Department of Justice, the Defenders of Justice. And we're out there to help motorcycle riders who may have criminal or traffic offenses, may have personal injury cases because some shitbag wasn't paying attention to what they were doing in their car and hit someone on a motorcycle. Just out there trying to take care of everybody. I'm Jeff Meadows. I'll fight for you all day long.